want to hear this.
Amber Alert Network, the Montgomery Police Department is searching for Keon Miller, black female, 13 years old, date of birth April 12, 2006.
You're still hearing this. Cover your ears.
110 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, and wearing a red long sleeve hoodie, black workout pants with red stripes, and a blue backpack. Police are looking for Leola Morris, black female, 61 years old.
You're still hearing it.
1958, height 5 feet, 6 inches, weight 162 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, and one leg, in connection with Keon Miller's abduction. The suspect is driving a gray 2012 Nissan Altima in Oklahoma, license plate with an unknown number. The suspect may also be driving a wooden four-door passenger car with unknown plate numbers. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this,
I don't know if it's funny either.